Stop. Before you spend a single dollar on GemVerse AI, you need to watch this video. They promise you every powerful Google AI tool like Gemini Pro, VO3, and Imagen 4 all inside one dashboard for a flat $17 fee, no monthly bills. But does it actually work, or is there a catch hidden inside the funnel? Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we are doing a complete, honest review of GemVerse AI. I will show you exactly what it does, the hidden costs, and my massive custom bonus bundle. Here is my quick verdict. GemVerse AI is an incredible money saver if you are tired of paying hundreds of dollars every month for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and ElevenLabs. It puts Google's most advanced AI models right at your fingertips. But to get the true unlimited power, you need to understand the upgrades. Make sure you stay until the end because I am giving away an exclusive bonus package that you can only get by clicking the link in the description below. So what exactly is GemVerse AI? It is the world's first all-in-one Google AI ecosystem. Instead of logging into 5 different websites and paying multiple subscriptions, this software puts everything into one single dashboard. It's built for new affiliate marketers, content creators, and freelancers who want high-end AI without the massive ad budget or monthly fees. It solves the biggest problem we face today. You no longer need to figure out how to make videos, write copy, or design graphics from scratch. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. Let's take a look inside the dashboard. As you can see on the screen, it is 100% beginner-friendly. There's no complicated setup and no coding required. If you want to write an SEO blog post or an email script, you just click the Gemini Pro content engine. Need a Hollywood-style video for YouTube Shorts? Jump over to the VO3 video engine. Type a simple prompt and it generates professional cinematic clips. You can even create photorealistic product photos with Imagen 4 and add human-sounding voiceovers in any language using the Gemini voice engine. You simply log in, pick your tool, and get results in seconds.
Congrats, it's here!
Good game, kids.
Thanks! One more kick?
The online earning landscape in 2025 is evolving rapidly, driven by artificial intelligence, remote The online earning landscape in 2025 is evolving rapidly.
let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end software is just $17, but there are a few optional upgrades you should know about to scale your business. OTO1 is the unlimited edition for $197. I highly recommend this because it removes all daily restrictions. You get unlimited access to the AI chats, image generation, and video creation. OTO2 is the Elite Edition for $67. This unlocks premium features like image-to-video animation and removes the GemVerse AI watermark from your content. OTO3 is the Automation Engine for $47. This lets you put your marketing and content creation on complete autopilot. They also offer done-for-you setups and agency licenses if you want to sell these AI services to local clients and keep all the profit. Now for the best part. If you decide to pick up GemVerse AI today through my link in the description below, you will get access to the ultimate App Verdict bonus bundle. I handpicked these 10 premium tools to help you get more traffic and make more sales with your new AI content. Bonus 1 is Soci Ultima. This software will boost your video views and push your content to your target audience across social media for free. Bonus 2 is Lead Book Generator. You can easily integrate Facebook lead ads to build a massive, profitable email list automatically. Bonus 3 is Conversion Equalizer. This tool automatically boosts your conversion rates so you make more money from the exact same amount of traffic. Bonus 4 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed. You'll discover hidden traffic sources to flood your new AI videos and blogs with laser-targeted buyers. Bonus 5 is Email Profits Formula. Learn exactly how to monetize the email list you build for maximum passive income. Bonus 6 is Viral Marketing Strategies. You'll get proven tactics to make your AI-generated videos and posts go viral overnight. Bonus 7 is Clickable Images Bot. This turns your AI-generated images into clickable social media posts that drive direct traffic straight to your affiliate links. Bonus 8 is Video Affiliate Plugin. You can easily build high-converting video review pages to showcase your new AI videos. Bonus 9 is Client Extractor. This software finds local business clients who desperately need the AI services you can now offer. Bonus 10 is Auto Content Machine. This plugin automatically pulls targeted content to your WordPress blog to keep it updated and ranking high on Google. My final verdict is simple. GemVerse AI is a powerful platform that will save you thousands of dollars in subscription fees this year. But you need to act fast. My exclusive App Verdict bonus bundle is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers. Once those spots are gone, this page comes down. The bonuses expire in exactly 48 hours. Click the first link in the description right now to lock in your early bird discount and secure all 10 custom bonuses. Getting your bonuses is easy. Once you complete your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Just look for the blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonus. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to App Verdict for more honest software reviews. Click the link below to get started, and I'll see you on the inside.